We're here in Newport Beach, California. Today we're looking at a brand new home that was just built. We designed this as a one-of-a-kind, something totally different that we invented that we're really going to start taking to the marketplace. And what I'm going to show you is something that are just getting going. We've got a lot of good reaction to these light panels that we built. But there's two things that are very important. The customer doesn't even drink wine. The wife drinks wine, the husband only smokes cigars. So we made an amazing cigar humidor with the humidifier in the room. We want to kind of come into the room here. In addition to that, we did do a dual pane, a frameless glass that we have here, two panels, and they wanted one door, again also polished stainless steel. So this cigar humidor will hold over 300 plus cigars when obviously they fill it. It's all lined with Spanish cedar. As you can see, there's little slits and holes in there and what that's for is for the humidification system to work. Now, we use a very special humidification system. This is where there's a cold water in the back. So we are able to tap into some cold water, plug it in, and it will just fill up. There's many parts of the Cellar that I love. I'm going to first talk about, we talked about the light panel, the acrylic light panel, and the pegs. We also put a Whisper-Cool ceiling mount split system unit. So the coil's in here, the condensing unit is outside, and it's able to keep the room, we have this room kept at 58 to 60 degrees. That's their range for this one. That's what they like their wine at. And so that's what we're doing for the split system here. The other thing and the other part that I love the most, and one thing that's very innovative, is something that we created. I'm going to again talk about like the humidifier. The humidifier here is, again, there's cold water in the back. We were able to capture the cold water in the back, and it fills up automatically. One thing everybody always has to do is do it on their, you always have to fill up on your own. You always have to clean the filter. We're able to have a cold water line, be able to fill this up and to humidify the room as need be.